Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Abby Varieties TV. Today we got a new air fryer. As the one I was using before, I have given it out to another friend. So this air fryer, come with me and let's unbox it. It has recipe book. It's got 32 recipes. So make sure you look out for more videos as I will be making some of these recipes. It has a hair fryer instruction manual just to show us how the air fryer works. And it also comes with 12-month warranty. It has warranty card, 12-month warranty. So let's see what else we have in the box. Here we have our air fryer. It says we should peel out that film. So we're taking off the nylon. And we need to remove those tabs, the 4 tabs that secure the basket. We need to take it off so we can have access to the basket. The name of this air fryer is Innsky Air. Innsky Air. Look at the capacity. It is 6 liters capacity. It's very big. It's super big and very spacious. If you need this air fryer, if you would like to get one, the link is in the description box. Check the description section. You will find the link to purchase the air fryer. I'm so in love with this air fryer. It's so big and very spacious. Do you have Innsky air fryer, or what is the name of your air fryer? If you have one, please put the name down in the comment section, as I would like to see it and relate with you in the comment section. Let's try out the air fryer. Let's see how the settings are. Let's put it on. This air fryer is a touchscreen one. It has different buttons such as the temperature. You can increase or decrease the temperature. It has a timing which you can adjust as you like. Timer which can help you with counting down of how many minutes you would like to set. And it's got freeze option, preheat option, pause and start option, and many other buttons. So I would really enjoy this air fryer, I believe. Please give this video a big thumbs up, follow, like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones. Bye.